So yeah, Grandma's still wanting me to feed her cats
Again?
again, and I told her I just don't have time.
Well, cats are just a pain in the neck anyway. What
Yeah,
is
they
it?
are.
Oh.
Oh no, the wood is warped. What are we gonna do?
Well, we shouldn't have left it on the table, first of all, but I don't think it's that bad. This is a lot of drama you got going on here.
Not that big a deal. I've skated half pipes equivalent to that. Careful,
It seems a bit dangerous.
yeah, it does. No, don't do it, Ronnie. Ronnie, don't move. Don't do. I was gonna tell you, I don't think I could do that. No, don't swing.
Come on, you should try.
Oh no, I lost my skateboard skills. So, you got any ideas on how to undo this?
I have a couple.
Wiggle,
Yeah.
wiggle. Let's see.
No, that didn't do it.
So, what's your plan here?
Well, I think we can set this tile on it between these two sawhorses, and I think maybe with some time we could actually get this thing to work back. So,
Yeah, I think so.
what do you think?
Yeah.
I think we got it.
What are you guys doing?
We're shooting a video here, buddy. So, can't you tell? I mean, camera, tile.
You guys are great actors.
Think you could do better?
Yeah.
All right, just put her down there. Right down at, it's just,
There you go.
whoa, there, look how flat that is. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me?
Nice.
Look.
Flat.
Uh-huh.
Really flat. I think we got it.
All of this rustic white oak lumber are pieces that I've prepared for a dresser project, and they've been sitting in the shop for probably a month and a half. Do you see anything that looks consistent about any of it? If you could see consistency here, obviously you'll see that everything's cupped upward like this. This top is cupped this way and this way. And the reason for it is they're all lying this way on a flat surface. What's happening is the exposed side is getting airflow. The unexposed side is not getting airflow. So the exposed side is actually losing moisture. It's being dried, while the unexposed side underneath is not losing, it's retaining most of its moisture. So as the top surface is losing moisture by the airflow that it's able to get, while the underside is not losing its moisture content, what's happening is this is pulling together like this while this is staying in the same position on the bottom. And so what happens as a result is everything wants to kind of pull upward like this. All right, we're on a walk. This is our plywood that was already cut out for our dresser. And notice we have the same issue, only with this top piece here. 3 long pieces, but the top piece is cupped up on this end. And look at that. It's cupped up on this end, while the 2 pieces under it remain flat because we have moisture escaping from the top of this board but not on the bottom, thereby cupping it up. The question now becomes, is there anything we can do to fix this? So what we will do is, and it seems like it would make sense, we're going to just turn it upside down. We're going to basically create the reverse process. Now the bottom is up, and so we're going to get airflow over the top, and so its moisture content will be reduced. Meanwhile, we'll be retaining the moisture content that's left on the top side of this, which is now on the bottom. And so this should, over time, create, basically, it'll work itself out. Now, you got to be careful not to leave it too long, otherwise it'll cup, do it all over again, but on the opposite side. If you want to speed up the process, if you can find a place out of the way outdoors, say on a slab of concrete out in the sunshine, you can actually put it outside in direct sunlight, and it will actually basically warp back more rapidly. Again, you need to really be careful because if you leave it too long, it will have the opposite effect and you'll just cup the opposite direction. So what could we have done to prevent this to begin with? What could we do to prevent it from happening again? Well, the answer is simple. Don't lay it on a flat surface. Stand it up somewhere along the wall. Do it as straight as you can so that gravity doesn't cause it to sag. Straight as you can so that it's getting equal amount of airflow on both sides, keeping it straight. Now I want you to pay attention to my posture and notice that I'm cupped this way. Why is that? Well, it's because I sleep on my stomach at night, so I'm getting more airflow on. Just kidding. That's a joke. But all joking aside, if this was helpful to you at all, please make sure to like and subscribe for more tips